Okay, so in this video what I'm going to do is help create all the pop-up and connect to the March file only. This pop-up, what you do in the morning, just replace the file here, and also I'll do these equity button thing and connect the respective pop-ups to these buttons in this video. So let's do it quickly. So go to the pop-up section where all the pop-ups are shown, and what we will do, we'll just duplicate one of the pop-ups. So it's a good option in this website. So click on it and we see we got a copy. So I'll do it for the February one. So you just have to replace the file in the morning. Do it quickly. So when we open it, so we'll make it February, and we'll just move this. And now what we need, just click once here, and then here we have the complete code here. Now in the last video I think I missed this thing, that's why that issue, that file wasn't coming. So now just quickly connect the file to this. It's very easy. I'll connect the March one only to this one. I'll copy the URL and paste it here. Okay. And then just I'll change the class name. So class name will be this one which we have given specified in that button or in the first video I showed you. So I'll just right here. Remember to add dot and just update it, and you need not to worry about any other option which are shown here. Just click on update, and then when we go to the front end, and we will have to refresh it once, and we must see the March file in the February button. I'll try to make it blank and see what happens if only pop-up opens. So if I click it, okay, so I think there is some issue. I'll sort it out. Let you know later. But let me just tell you how it works for me. So in the March section, this is the section which is working. No. Yeah, this is the February one. This is the March one. So what we will do is just copy this thing. There is some difference in code or something while duplicating, so that is causing the error. So just use this one. Okay, and now update it. Same file is added here, so now it should work. We come to the front end, we just refresh it. Now you see the March file is opening, everything is correct, right? So the idea is to just copy when we duplicate a particular pop-up. So just copy this code from the previous pop-up. For now, I will see what's the issue. I'll let you know. But for now, just copy the this code from the previous pop-up which you have duplicated. So therefore the problem will not happen. So like in this one, I copied this code from the March one because I duplicated this one and pasted in the February one. March one was already working fine, so now it's working. So the same code is working fine for it. We just need to replace this file. So let me see if I leave it blank or not available. I just write not available, what happens? Okay, so this pop-up is showing like when you put the file, or I have to already told you the way. You just open this pop-up or add media and drag and drop the file here, and just click here and get the link by clicking on this button and close it, and then come to here and copy and paste the the URL. Like suppose I got the URL here, or for example from add media I get this URL and I come here and I paste it here and update it, so the file will be shown on the front end. You just need to refresh it, and you must have noticed that pages at my end are opening quite fast. There's no issue. You can say the file is coming, right? So now just let's do the same thing for the equity fund section. So first what we need to do is just add the buttons at the front end. You come to equity fund section and we'll see where that just to get an idea at the back end. Or if you want, I can remove this loader. So because the whole it is gone only when the whole page load, and if the page is having some good amount of data, so it will keep on loading. But when that loader is gone, so what will happen is it will load from top to bottom. So user will not have any issues. Anyway, so here we need to add two buttons. It's just under this section. Okay, it's very easy. We just need to find that section where, okay, just need to find the button section. Okay, these are the buttons, right? January. So we just click here on edit section and we will go to the bottom. Okay, this is so now same thing as we did in the first video. So now I have added these two buttons, and you can see I have changed the class names, right? And I have renamed the buttons, and I'll save it here, and I'll click this update button. So now on the front end you can see the February and March buttons created. Now we'll create the pop-up and connect those two pop-ups with these two buttons. We already have uploaded the files for this one, so let's see how we do it. Okay, so we have this Jan 22. It is meant for it is the pop-up of equity button pages. So we will just duplicate it. Click on duplicate, and now you see copy is there, and we just need to edit it. Right click and open it in a tab, and what you will have to do is just open the previous one, and do one thing is just for the sake of not having any issues with pop-up, we just copy the same code here. So you must be noticing that when I initially open it, the code is short, and then when I click in visual and then I click on text, the code is longer. So this is the way how WordPress works. You need not to know about it, just answer about how to update the files. So I have copied the previous pop-up data, code to the new pop-up, and now just need to rename it. Just rename it Feb, and remove this thing and get the file URL from here. So this is the February one, right? And now just get the URL and copy it here, copy and close that one, and come to here, select this one and paste the new file. The equity fund for February is pasted here, and now we just come here and we will change the name January to February, FEB, February. And let's see what we did there on the equity page. Just a moment. Yes, February 22 is the class name. So what same class name we need to put the February 22 and update it here, and then now just click on update button, and now go to the front end and so now just check the button whether it's working or not. It's working. The file is loading. Okay, now we just need to do the same for March one. So I'll close the video here. I'll update the file, and you know the way how to do it, right?